Hi, my lovely ladies. Today I'm here with another set of video, and today I'm gonna review for the Body Shop. I have a good products of Body Shop with me, and I'm using it like generously. This is the one Body Shop you must be knowing about the vitamin C range. This is from the Body Shop's Glow Revealing Liquid Peel Exfoliant Liquid with vitamin C rich cam and from the Amazonian rainforest Peru. It's for dull, tired, grumpy skin. So I'll tell you, it's a scrub basically. This is how the consistency will be. See the consistency in gel form. This is a gel based scrub. You just apply it, leave it for sorry, leave it for a second and see, and just scrub it. It will remove all dead parts, all dirt, dust, dead cells basically, impurities. And never use after face wash. This is gonna be a face wash, to be very honest with you. As long as you wake up and you're going for somewhere, or you're gonna do you have makeup session, whatever it is, you have to use it in a bare skin which can accumulate all the dust and dirt. See, I'll see, you can see the granules. That's how the granules are. It's very effective, and I'm telling you, it helped me having a good skin. I was having problem. I really need scrubbing because of my combination skin. I'm having problem with the, I will not take the brand name, the apricot granules. So I went to the South City Mall of Kolkata. They have a nice store, very beautiful store of the Body Shop. The people are really good. The customer, really deal with them, and the bottle is almost finished. To be very honest with you, it's been 2 months, and I spoke to them. They suggested me this one. They have few more range, but they told me ki this is the best one, and it cost me around. There's some discount was going on. It cost me some 1,500 rupees, which is actual price is 1,995. Yeah, this is the actual price. See, that's how the process should be always. My face is dry. It has sunscreen lotion. I had sunscreen lotion. I have applied it to the sunscreen lotion was there only in my face. It is gonna remove your makeup. Please make sure you close your eyes, don't keep it open, and see, you can see how dirty it is. So it's just the dead skin. The more the dirtier it is, it means the dead skin is coming out. And I'm telling you, it doesn't have any fragrance as such. Tastes little bit sad, but it has good moisture. It's not gonna dry your face. It doesn't have the granule, so you feel like you're cutting, or even if you have a pimple, you have acne, you have a rash, you can apply it because it's a liquid form, a gel form. Anything gel based product is really good for combination skin, for oily skin, for normal skin, even for the dry skin. This is better. Okay, so it's an exfoliant version. I don't know whether they have a trial pack or not. I'm loving it. I'm using it from a long time. I have seen a big difference in my skin because when I went to Kolkata, I got sunburn. I had to go for a kojic peel. I cannot review for the kojic peel because it was a salon on Century Salon in the I live New Alipur. Century, if you're watching this video, please go ahead and do a live round of review for the kojic peel what you have did you applied on my face that day, and it went very well. The milk lactic peel, whatever she has done, it's very good. I would suggest you to people, if you're visiting Kolkata, go for the Sanctuary Calon Professional Saloons, and it's really good. She's on my Instagram. You can DM her. So let's come to the Body Shop thing. I'm to loving it, guys, and I would suggest if you can do it. See, it is removing my makeup. I'm rubbing it religiously. You cannot keep it for a second, it dries out. It it's not dries out, it's not correct, but it absorbs in your skin very quickly. So, like a magnet, so you have to, moment you apply, you need to rub it. You need to rub, and the more rub, it means the scrub, uh, the more effect, the more dirt will come out from your face, and you will be relaxed. You have to splash it with the cold water. I will do it here basically because I have got Pigmentation. My pigmentation problem has also got reduced after using this. Though it's quite pricey, but it's really nice product. My pigmentation problem has reduced a lot. A lot means a lot. I am so much into products these days. I don't know what to do, but thank God it is not affecting anything. So you see, I have a pimple. I'm applying it, I was rubbing it, but it's not going to affect because it doesn't have any tinging effect, any sensation. You know, if you are, it's a very go-to bottle, it's a plastic bottle, very tight bottle. So you have this one spray pump, and you see this is lock system. This is the best part of the body, the lock system. If you have kept it like that and you were carrying it in your bag or in purse, you can use it though. So this is how it's gonna be. I have carried from Chennai to Hyderabad to Kolkata and now to Agra, and what this bottle has traveled so far with me. It gave me a good peace of mind. The quantity is good. It's 150 ml of a scrub, and which is affecting your skin in a very generous way. All you need to do before going sleeping in the night, you need to clean. So it is a saying, you need to remove your makeup before you go to sleep. If you're doing the scrub once in a week, every day, like not every day, once in a week you're doing the scrub, basically it is gonna give you major difference. See, so when you rub it, a gel based form, it means you're putting pressure in your face, and once you do the pressure, you're glowing. Glowing in the sense the blood circulation happens, the glow happens. So you will understand once this dirt will not come, the regular base will not come, and you will have a clean face. It's over. Guys, if I'll show you the dirt accumulation, you will realize how bad it is. So you can see, right? This is a live video, and I don't do anything which is for a paid service or something like that. I don't get money of doing all these review videos. I'm doing it for my own sake because I love to do it. I'm being very honest with. I show you the dirt accumulation which comes from my skin, and that too only have applied sunscreen lotion. It means मेरे चेहरे पे कितना ज़्यादा मैल था. See, चेहरा dry हो गया. Now you can splash with cold water and you're good to go with your face wash or serum, whatever you want to do. So guys, try this out. The Body Shop vitamin C range of exfoliant comes with in 145 ml of bottle, in a spray bottle which has got a tilt. You can easy to carry, and just you need to spend 1,995, and if you go for discount forms, then you can get it at 1,500 like me. So take care, bye.